Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the curve types of your animations. Changing the curve type can make your animations more natural and give them a different look and feel. I will also show you how to change the default curve types that will be applied automatically every time you add a new video action. To change the curve type of a video action in Screenflow 9, just click on the video action. You'll see it gets highlighted in yellow. Right click or control click and you will see curve type. Just select any one of the options from the contextual menu and that will change the curve type. You can also come up to the actions menu. At the very bottom you'll see curve type and you can select from any one of these. And to set the default action curve that you want applied every time you add a video action, just come up to the Screenflow menu and select Preferences, or use the keyboard shortcut Command, Comma. Go to the second tab, Timeline, and you're looking for Default Action Curve. Just click on this and select the default curve that you want applied every time you add an action. By default, it's going to be set to linear, which is a good option, or I also might recommend you try out Ease In and Ease Out. I'm just going to keep it at linear and just close this out. And now you have changed the default action curve. And here is a preview of each of the curve types just so you have a better understanding of what they do. The first curve type is linear. Linear is a good all-around curve type because it has the same speed at the beginning as it does in the end, giving it a nice smooth animation. The second curve type, Ease In, starts off slow and speeds up towards the end. So it eases in and speeds out. The third curve type, Ease Out, does the opposite. It starts off fast and eases out slowly. The fourth curve type is one that I use the most, and that is Ease In and Ease Out. Ease In starts and ends slowly and speeds up in the middle, giving a nice smooth animation. So the fifth, sixth, and seventh ones we'll go over quickly as they're just variations of the Ease In, Ease Out, and Ease In and Out. These are Exponential Ease-In, there's Exponential Ease-Out, and Exponential Ease-In and Out. There is actually one more curve type, and that is None, or no curve type. When you apply None as the curve type, the action or the animation is applied instantly. When the None curve type is applied, the video duration is completely ignored. So if you make it really short, or if you make it really long, the speed is going to be the exact same since the None curve type is ignoring the video action duration. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you change the curve types and change the default curve type in Screenflow 9. Cheers!